Good evening everyone. I am Rahul Gupta, member Punjab State COVID Control Room. On this 26th day of the curfew, I bring to you the following highlights. In Punjab, as of today, total positive cases are 211. With an increase of 14 over yesterday's figures, total lives lost remain 14, no new death being reported. Recovered cases are 30, rest are undergoing treatment. For the world, figures are confirmed positive cases 21,95,000, dead 1,48,000, recovered 5,58,000. For India, the figures are confirmed positive cases 13,495, dead 448, recovered 1,777. On the second day of the procurement, the government agencies and private traders procured 36,000 metric tons of wheat. Health, police and civil departments have been continuously working on a war footing to trace all the contacts of COVID-19 positive patients. This has proved to be the most effective way to curb the spread. Wherever a cluster of cases is detected, an area of 3 kilometers radius is sealed off to bar the entry and exit of the people. The concerned are tested, isolated and treated. Essential goods are provided at the doorstep of every household. Medical facilities established in the state are detailed as notified isolation beds 5,600, beds established at the COVID care centers 15,600, number of ventilators 447, adequate supply of PPE kits, N95 and 3-layered masks are available at all the hospitals. Critical COVID patients are being treated at 3 government medical colleges and 2 private medical colleges. To effectively address and resolve medical and stress-related issues due to lockdown, Government of Punjab has launched a special helpline 1800-180-4104 for the citizens to connect with senior doctors over teleconference. Government of Punjab, in collaboration with Facebook, has developed a chatbot based on artificial intelligence language technique to give immediate reply to frequently raised queries regarding COVID-19 and essential services. One can access this facility by clicking the message button of the Punjab government's official Facebook page. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana was launched yesterday. Under this scheme, wheat and pulses would be provided to all the beneficiaries of the Smart Card scheme of the Food and Supplies Department, totally free of cost. As a preventive measure to keep further spread of the virus under control, Barnala and Patti jails have been converted into quarantine facilities. 412 inmates lodged in these jails have already been shifted to other jails. Education Minister informed that 10 meritorious schools of Punjab have been put at the disposal of the Deputy Commissioners to use them as COVID care isolation centers. If you want to help in the universal effort to fight Corona, then stay at home and follow the government instructions. That is all for today. Thank you.